Hello kids! Today we're going to learn sea animal names and farm animal names. Let's get started. First, we have a yellow tang. The yellow tang is on a yellow square. Let's turn this yellow dial. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! There goes the yellow tang. And underneath the yellow square was a farmer. Old MacDonald. Yellow. Next, we have a sea turtle. The sea turtle is on a white square. Sea turtle. Let's push this white button. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! There goes the sea turtle. And underneath the white square was a chick. White. Next, we have a shark. And the shark is on a blue square. Shark. Let's pull this blue lever. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! There goes the shark. It's right next to the sea turtle. And underneath the blue square was a cow. It has a cowbell. Blue. The last one is a clownfish. And the clownfish is on a green square. Clownfish. Let's pull this green lever. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! There goes the fish. And underneath the green square was a lamb. The lamb is white, green, yellow, white, blue, green. There's all our sea animals. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe.